Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2020 Ford Transit cargo van. This Ford is powered by rear-wheel drive, 3.5-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 131,099 miles. Experience optimal performance with this 2020 Ford Transit cargo van. Offering top-notch reliability, impressive cargo space, and efficient fuel consumption. Perfect for business or personal use. Grab this pre-owned gem today. This pre-owned transit cargo van comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, ground view camera, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Ford Transit cargo van is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive headlights, backup camera, park assist, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.